From the providers, Elchung is a 24-inch radius umbrella for your plants with a 39.5-inch pole. Strong, wind resistant, needs some assembly to put together. It basically screws on and you simply open up the umbrella and lock into place. This is what the umbrella looks like. One of the four colors is made of metal. Inside's got a reflective material. It is wind resistant, rain resistant, and more. It's got a white ball on top and little end caps as well. Stick it in your planter, protect from extreme heat all year round, and decoration. It is a black pole and a silver pole on the upper half. And as you can see, I'll hold the pole and bend the umbrella. It will flex. A nice close-up look at the spring action inside where my thumb is at. Simply grab it, bend it to shape any way you want in your umbrella stand. And that will be your planter pot. So what we're going to do is show you how to assemble one. It's very easy to do. They come in a nice box and nicely protect. Pink, orange, blue, and green in plastic, each individually wrapped. It's just not for plants. Take it to the beach. You need some protection from the sun. It's got a silver backing, as you can see. It snaps together by simply placing on. Take a pole. You want to take each of the poles and just want to match up each end. The black goes to the silver, so the silver goes over here first. Screw together. And then take the pitchfork and place it in like so. You can spin it on, lock them down by twisting, and then take the last pole, the black to the silver, match up, and screw on, and you got your umbrella. If you don't want to attach all the pieces, you want to make one umbrella a little shorter than the other, just simply place on the black tip to the pole, and then you got a short one. Your plant umbrella, ready to go to put outside. Set up your garden by grabbing an umbrella. Place it in. Pick another color and place on in. For square pots, round pots, anywhere you need to have an umbrella for your planting shade. Umbrellas to cover your plants, protect from the sun, extreme heat. Place them anywhere in the garden that you have with flowers and more. Decorate all over. 24 inches. Check online for further details about the size that they have to offer for your plant needs. Thank you for viewing. If you want to just pack up and take them out during those days, they simply fold up just like that. They're easy to assemble, easy to transport, your umbrella.